Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on Apple Watch. First, ensure your Apple Watch is properly paired with your iPhone. You'll need to download the main Subway Surfers application onto your iPhone. If a companion watch application is available, it should then automatically install onto your Apple Watch. Once installed, simply open the game directly from your watch's application list to begin your adventure. Playing Subway Surfers on your Apple Watch involves simple, intuitive gestures. To navigate the tracks, you'll swipe left or right directly on your watch's display to switch lanes. When faced with obstacles, a quick swipe upwards will make your character jump over them. For lower barriers, a downward swipe allows you to roll underneath. Additionally, tapping the screen will activate any power-ups you've collected, helping you achieve higher scores. To truly excel and achieve impressive high scores, focus on collecting every coin you see. These coins are crucial for unlocking new characters and hoverboards. Make sure to grab power-ups such as the jetpack for flying over obstacles or the coin magnet to effortlessly attract nearby coins. Completing daily challenges also provides valuable bonus rewards. Consistent practice, with your swipe timing for jumps and rolls, will significantly improve your overall performance. The Apple Watch version of Subway Surfers provides a streamlined and simplified gameplay experience, perfect for quick bursts of fun. The graphics are thoughtfully optimized to look great on the smaller watch display, ensuring clarity during your runs. You should expect shorter play sessions, making it ideal for brief moments of downtime. It's a fantastic and convenient way to enjoy the core game mechanics directly from your wrist, even when your phone isn't immediately accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.